Welcome to J&J's test video of 9455. This is a 2007 Corvette convertible LS2 automatic. Was going to be made into a track car, but had too much suspension damage. Top's all worn out, the quarters have been repainted, and it's seen some stuff over the years. Here. But it's got, I think, 60,000 miles on it. Let's see what we got here.